Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change out the brake pads and brake rotors on this 2008 Honda Civic. Alright, before we get started, let's be safe of our surroundings. First, you want to jack up the vehicle, place the chocks on the rear side of the tires, and most of all, let's put that parking brake on to prevent any movement. Step 1, with this impact drill and a 19mm socket, you want to go ahead and loosen the 5 Step 2, with a 12mm socket and a half drive ratchet, we're going to go ahead and take off the sliding caterpillar bolts. And there's one. Alright, here's 2. Step 3, with a pry tool, you want to pry up the brake caliper, place it onto the caliper hook, preventing the brake hose from breaking. Step 4, you want to go ahead and remove the brake pads. Sometimes shimming it works out of the retainers. One in the front here and one in the back. Step 5, with a 17mm socket attached to a half drive ratchet, you want to go ahead with the caliper bolts, remove them. Alright, here's one. Here's 2. Step 6, with the bracket removed, you want to go ahead and remove these 2 retainer clips, inspect the caliper, and then clean the surface. We could use a wire brush. You want to just scrub it along here where the retainer clips meet. Likewise with this. And then I just like to clean it off. Alright, just like that. We'll leave this on the side. Step 7, with a Phillips screwdriver, you want to go ahead and take out these 2 screws. Sometimes, if the screws are stubborn to take off, you want to go ahead and use a hammer, and at the ends of the Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and pound it by twisting it to the left. Alright, there's one. Alright, there's two. Step 8. We're going to go ahead and remove the rotor, just like so. Place it down here for now. Then we're going to scrub this area. Just for as a safety hazard and precaution, you may want to use like a mask. Protect your lungs, your health. Preventing the dust from entering. And after that, let's go ahead and give it a clean. Alright. Step 9. We're going to go ahead and clean off the new rotor before installation, making sure that no residue has been left behind. Same thing with the back. Alright. And step 10. Go ahead and install the new rotor and apply the blue thread locker to these through these two screws. And then install it into these holes. Alright, just like so. Just want to make sure that it's completely tight. Step 11. With the new hardware, you want to go ahead and install these new retainer clips to the caliper bracket. Just like so. Step 12. With the brake parts lubricant, you want to go ahead and lubricate these retainers and the brake pads. Not the pad itself, but the middle piece. All right. Just like so. Step 13. With all the metal pieces lubricated, you want to go ahead and install the new brake pads. And just like so. Step 16. You want to go ahead and apply the blue thread locker onto the caliper pin sliding bolts, just like so. And after that, you want to go ahead and use this brake caliper tool. I got this off of Amazon. The goal is you want to have a metal plate like this or anything similar to push the piston back into the caliper. Step 17. You want to go ahead and install the caliper back onto the caliper bracket, torquing down the bolts, caliper sliding pin bolts to 27 foot-pounds and the caliper bracket bolts to 80 foot-pounds. And there you have it. With all those steps of removing and installing the brake pads and rotors, you'll be able to drive safely and with the peace of mind. Don't forget to torque down your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. And until next time, take care.